Welcome to RFLOXA, where leading China's shock absorber manufacturing base. We are committed to providing high quality and high performance shock absorbing products to the global market. RFLOXA's mission is to create a smoother and safer riding experience for riders and constantly innovate and improve product performance. The production of every shock absorber begins with a strict inspection of the raw material. Only materials that have passed high standards of quality control are allowed to enter the production process. We use advanced CNC machining technology to ensure the precision of each part and guarantee the excellent performance of the shock absorber. Our manual assembly line is a perfect combination of technology and human intelligence. Each shock absorber is precisely assembled and tested to ensure the high quality of the final product. Before leaving the factory, each shock absorber undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its stability and durability of a variety of environments. From production to packaging, we are meticulous in every detail, just to present the best products to our customers. Our efficient logistics system ensures that products are delivered quickly and safely to our customers around the world. Our precision-engineered products are packed with recoil force, exuding understated luxury. RFLOXA, making every drive more comfortable and safer. To learn more, visit our website or contact our sales team.